Life can be so tough, but you're my diamond in the rough. I don't care how bad it gets, I'll never quit or forget. Can I re-say what I say? Can I rethink what's in my head? Should I forget about us, about love and lust? Forgive or forget, I haven't figured it out yet. Baby, I can't forget about you. I don't want to, I don't want to, I don't want to, I don't want to.
Bring me chills to the spine. I wanna go back to the day we first met and rewind the first time we dined, enjoying each other's company for hours on end. Me and my girl make us #1 on the Twitter trends. We are like magic, usually love is tragic. Seeing you with your ex, I just had to have it. Always trying to grab your attention. Our love is so unreal, no need to pretend. All the days sit in my room for hours on end, just thinking of you. You don't even have a clue from the cute little text to me in the world. You are the perfect one for me. We had a connection even when we were friends. I'll always care about you till the end of time. Let's sit and wine and dine, enjoy our time. I'm glad we met. I'm glad I broke out of the friend zone. I hate being alone. I want you in my life.
Life can be so tough, but you're my diamond in the rough. Don't care how bad it gets, I'll never quit or forget. Can I re-say what I say? Can I rethink what's in my head? Should I forget about us, about love and lust? Forgive or forget, I haven't figured it out yet. Baby, I can't forget about you. I don't want to, don't want to, I don't want to, I don't want to.
You were my midnight starlight. When I see your eyes, it was so bright. I will always love you, and my love to you is true. You'll know everything if you show everything. It's always better if we're sticking together. I was wondering who you are. You love the guitar, so shout out to be a star. I'm just sitting in the studio trying to get to you, baby. Girl, you driving me crazy. We can spend it all night, our love is alright. You were that type that I'm looking for. I can tell you what's on store. Just like Rapunzel, pull down that hair. Life is always fair. You were my midnight special if you walk to them. So go ahead and talk to them.
Life can be so tough, but you're my diamond in the rough. Don't care how bad it gets, I'll never quit or forget. Can I re-say what I say? Can I rethink what's in my head? Should I forget about us, about love and lust? Forgive or forget, I haven't figured it out yet. Baby, I can't forget about you. I don't want to, don't want to, I don't